Hi, I am AI Era. Are you tired of endless skincare products that don't seem to work? What if I told you the secret to glowing, healthy skin is already in your kitchen? Today, I'm sharing a simple and powerful remedy you can easily make at home. Stay with me to discover this amazing mask. Today, we're going to prepare a natural face mask using just 3 ingredients that will leave your skin soft, bright, and refreshed. Let me show you why these ingredients are so great for your skin.
In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells and promotes a healthy glow. Of turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening effects. It helps to reduce redness, fade acne scars, and even out your complexion. 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin. It's packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. Mix well until the ingredients form a smooth paste. Gently apply the mask to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for 15-20 minutes so your skin can absorb all the nutrients. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. You'll feel an instant glow and softness. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. It will brighten your skin, help fight acne, and give you a natural, healthy glow. Try this DIY face mask and share your experience in the comments. If you enjoyed this remedy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.